Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to set up your rail system for the Mini Trimmer, Original Trimmer, and Silver Bullet trimmers. This guide will work whether you purchase the double or triple rail system. The tools needed are the toolkit provided with your trimmer, 9/16" wrench, and a 3/4 inch wrench. Start by placing the welded frame on a flat surface. Grab the 2 threaded rods and 2 mounting bases. Connect the mounting base to the rod. Feed each rod into the welded frame, making sure the frame isn't upside down. The welded thread inserts need to be facing down. Add a thread hex nut and knob to each rod. Tighten the knob and hex nut to secure the frame position. Repeat the process for the second rod. Grab the 2 rubber red feet and locking nuts and install the rubber red feet on the other side of the welded frame. To adjust the height of the rail, turn each knob to the desired height. Make sure to leave a gap between the hex nut and the frame of at least 1/2 inch. Otherwise, the knobs might conflict with the plastic hopper. Finish your installation by placing the squared plastic end caps. Put the PTFE channels on each side of the 3 trimmers. Your rail system is now assembled. Now let's show you how to install your trimmers. Before setting up your assembled rail system in the desired location, remember that you need enough power to run your system. We recommend having a certified electrician to make sure you have the proper power supply. Make sure the jacks are at their lowest height for an easier installation. Slide your trimmer with the plastic hopper installed on the rear side of the rail, making sure it reaches the end of the frame. Repeat the process for the second and third trimmers, front to back. Keep the trimmers aligned with the center of the rail. Secure the position of the trimmers with the stopping pins. Assemble the turnbuckles with the connectors. Use a pin to secure the connector. Install set screws, but do not tighten yet. Connect the assembled turnbuckles to the front and back plates. Secure by tightening the set screws. You can now adjust the gap between the tumblers. We recommend a gap of 1/4 inch between each tumbler. Place the 3 leaf collectors side by side. We recommend setting them up on an angle to leave room for the key collection systems. Install hoses on each system and secure with the clamps. Your rail system is now ready to use. However, if you need further assistance with the operation of your rail system, call tech support at 604-458-0341.